Well, hey family, one more time. Now, I just read through some emails, and in those emails, there's a lot of questions. I get a lot of these questions all the time. And the question is, where did you get wire? What's the brand of the wire? Where are you getting your ear wires? Where are you getting the bone beads? Where are you getting the stretch cord? What brand is this stretch cord? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put together a vendors list, and I do have like three more vendors that I'm gonna add to that list. The most difficult thing to do is basically like kind of trial and error. We will put in an order to a vendor, especially on the big A, and that one is like a hit or miss, right? So I do have a couple of vendors from the big A that I purchase things from. I'll be adding those to the list, and then a couple other vendors, right? So if you're interested in the list, let me know in the comment section. It will be a small something attached to it, a small fee attached to it. So let me know if you're interested in that, because either way, I'm going to put it together and I'm going to make it available because I get enough questions. I mean, like the emails, I mean, like one email might be asking me about five different items, like where did you get that from? That's on. And then this is the thing too, like with the videos, I don't remember half of the videos I'll be putting up because somebody will say, well, the video that had the orange beads with that bone. And I'll be like, oh my God, I have no idea what she's talking about. Right. So I have to go in to the videos, try to find the video, and then look at, what the person is talking about. And sometimes it might take me a couple of days to go in and find it because, I'm working on other stuff. But I do try to answer. So I said, okay, I'm getting enough of these emails to know that if I put the vendor list together, then people can know they can just go on there and find out who I'm buying from, and I'll just keep adding as I am getting familiar with a vendor, and then that way you can kind of have a confidence in the vendor that I purchase from too. So anyway, all right, we'll talk soon.